This is Streamlight 4AA Pro Polymer LED flashlight. I've been using this one for years. The reason? The first one is that it's build quality. You can see that this one is kind of builds a lot. I don't think you will break it because it's kind of drop shock resistance, and this is not that super light, but it's very durable. It's using 4 AA battery. How long it can last? 155 hours. You see, it's super simple. Take this one out and the 4 battery inside. I don't remember if I ever changed the battery because it just runs so long. You see here the seal is all weather resistance, or it say that no matter what dangerous situation you are at, for example, if you're working in the industrial, like easy to explosion, you need this flashlight. It's past a lot of safety standard, so a lot of industries choosing this flashlight. You can use this flashlight for half price and it will turn on, or you just press in. Very convenient to use. It's 67 lumens, so it's good for usually task, even though you are in a really dark situations. So in my opinion, that this is a very durable flashlight and even safe in the dangerous situations. Highly recommended. Hopefully this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.